Hey everyone and fans, it's ReaganPlaysYT here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Infinity. I'm gonna be using my microphone on recorded capture today. So I'm gonna be using my microphone into the audio. So I'm gonna say ReaganPlaysYT here, and then for CapCut I'm gonna say OnlyFan here. So that is what I'm gonna be doing that today. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Infinity in Wonderland. So if you want to make Infinity, you have to go to the Infinity free download symbol PNG to download it. So you can go on Chrome or Safari to search this up. And go to the this image here. Any Infinity symbols you can free download. So this is what I have downloaded for this one. So that's why I did. So now we're gonna go to CapCut. So this is how I make Infinity. So this one is gonna be a thumbnail right there, how I make Infinity there. So that's what I do actually. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to photos, and now we gotta do is we're gonna go down here to Wonderland background. Oh yeah, and some I had to delete some videos because so I'm gonna have to do that once I'm done with this, and some photos too. So that's why I had to. And now what we're gonna do now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Infinity symbol. Just right here, I just downloaded. So I will have to delete some photos and videos that had to be deleted. I cannot do that, but sometimes I cannot do that some images I took some Spucky by sec, but I had to delete these. Somehow I don't want to download these or take screenshots here. Some are gonna be deleted. Some images I'm gonna be keeping because I really need them on CapCut. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to his eyes. So you can get these eyes right here. I have all these by the WannaFans. I did actually. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to draw, and now you're gonna draw his eyes. Oh yeah, and you can go on CapCut or you can go to any viewer that knows how to make this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his eyes right here. So let's make it as a white square. Just like this. And then make sure that is filled in here. And boom, that's one done. Now we do the other one. So we do the other one. Let's make sure I do this one. So just like this. And that's another eye done. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the black one. And then we're gonna do like this one. And just like that. And now you're gonna need another one. And boom. So that's how you do that actually. So let me make that like this. So I'm gonna do like that. I'm good at drawing sometimes, but I'm actually not a lot actually. And there. So that's his eyes. So Infinity is a male actually, so it's not a female. But you can make an Infinity with a female if you want. So and that's how so you have to put these two dots there that I did. So this one's fine there. And now you're gonna need is his legs. So we can make it like his big legs. So let's make it like this. Oh yeah, and so I had to so you gotta do this one. And now you're gonna put it right there. And now you do the other one. Just like this. And I'm gonna have to add this one too. And and that's how you do that. That's how you make Infinity like that. So now you gotta do is you're gonna need his mouth. So I already got the mouth there, so and I'm gonna use this one. So this one I'm gonna be using this one. And just like that. Now that's how you make Infinity. And so you can do the text to speech if you want. So Infinity, I make the CapCut voice I use for Infinity is gonna be professional male. So I just did text actually, so that's what it is. So And that's how you make Infinity like this. So if you want to redo the tutorial, feel free to do so. If you have any questions about this, be sure to comment below and we'll reply to you. And yeah, so that's how you make Infinity. So this video was actually kind of short today. So yeah, it was actually. So if you enjoyed this, give it a like. And give it a like if you like this tutorial and how to make Infinity. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss any videos or shorts. Enjoy no, not enjoy, yeah. Join our Bubbles group, Gilded, Visual Week of Phantom, or join our new Discord server. These links will be in the description, or you'll see the last 4 links there. And yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I hope I'll see you all next time. And yeah, bye fans and everyone.